Once upon a time, in a small town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a boy named Charlie. Charlie was known by his peers as a loser, a title he had unfortunately come to accept over the years. He was quiet, shy, and was often the target of bullies at school. But beneath his timid exterior, Charlie possessed a hidden talent that no one knew about. He was a genius when it came to computers. From a young age, Charlie had always been fascinated by technology. He would spend hours on his old desktop computer, tinkering with codes and programs, learning how to navigate the intricate world of cyberspace. While other kids were playing outside, Charlie was engrossed in his own virtual world, where he felt empowered and in control. As he got older, Charlie's skills only continued to grow. He taught himself how to hack into systems, bypass security measures, and manipulate data to his advantage. He found solace in the anonymity of the internet, where he could be whoever he wanted to be without fear of judgment or ridicule. One day, a group of hackers known as the Black Hats caught wind of Charlie's talents and reached out to him, impressed by his skills. They offered him a spot on their team, promising him wealth and notoriety if he joined them. Charlie saw this as an opportunity to finally prove his worth and accepted their offer without hesitation. Under the guidance of the Black Hats, Charlie's hacking abilities soared to new heights. He was able to breach some of the most secure networks in the world, gaining access to classified information and sensitive data. The thrill of outsmarting the system and the sense of power it gave him was intoxicating, and Charlie quickly became addicted to the adrenaline rush of hacking. But as he delved deeper into the world of cybercrime, Charlie began to question his motives. He had always been a good kid at heart, but the allure of his newfound success clouded his moral compass. He realized that his actions were causing harm to innocent people, and he struggled with the guilt of his choices. One day, while attempting to hack into a government database, Charlie was intercepted by a team of cybersecurity experts. They managed to trace his location and pinpoint his identity, leading to a raid on his home. Charlie was arrested and charged with multiple counts of cybercrime, facing a lengthy prison sentence for his actions. As he sat in his jail cell, reflecting on the consequences of his choices, Charlie realized the true impact of his actions. He had used his intelligence for selfish gain, hurting others in the process. But in that moment of clarity, Charlie also saw a glimmer of hope, a chance to use his skills for good. After serving his time, Charlie dedicated himself to helping companies strengthen their cybersecurity measures, using his expertise to protect against future threats. He also became an advocate for internet safety, speaking out against cybercrime and educating others on the importance of ethical hacking. In the end, Charlie had transformed from a loser boy into a hero in the digital world, using his genius for the greater good. He may have stumbled along the way, but he had learned valuable lessons about the power of technology and the impact of one's choices. And through it all, Charlie discovered that true success comes not from what you can take, but from what you can give back to the world.